Welcome back to our three-part series on why starting a nonprofit corporation might not be the best decision for you. So, in the first part, we talked about record keeping requirements and paperwork, but now we're going to talk about something a little more tangible, and that's the cost of running a nonprofit. So, just because it's nonprofit, it doesn't mean non-cost. In fact, it can be surprisingly expensive. So, starting with the initial fees just to get the organization going. So, there are fees to file your articles of incorporation and also to apply for tax exempt status. The fees for these can be hundreds, if not over $1,000. And these are just the official fees. There are also professional fees. So, unless you are an expert in nonprofit law or accounting, you likely will work with a professional to start your organization and also to assist with your ongoing tax filings. Of course, these professionals charge for their time. And while it is money well spent, it can be a significant investment for a new organization. And that's just your initial setup. You also have ongoing compliance fees. So these are fees to renew your registrations with the states and also professional fees for your ongoing tax filings. In addition, we'll see other hidden costs with running a nonprofit, such as fundraising costs. So often to raise money, you actually have to spend money. So you might pay fees to use a platform to solicit donations online. You might pay for donor gifts and also advertising or marketing to get the word out about your organization. In addition, you'll have general business expenses. These are expenses that any organization is going to have. So this might include technology expenses, software, web hosting, computers. If you have staff, you'll have to pay for benefits and salaries. And then don't forget about office and utility expenses if you do have a home base for operations. So the bottom line is that the time and money that you are putting into your operational costs, legal compliance, and other administrative burdens could directly go to your mission. Is that the best use of your time and limited resources to start a full 501c3? So stay tuned for part 3, where we are going to explore some alternatives to forming a 501c3.